What's going on, you guys? Look, Jessy here. I finally got my hands on this Marvel Legends Power Gauntlet that we saw in Endgame. Super excited about this. I picked this up off of Hasbro Pulse website. That's Hasbro Toys' new online website. I picked this up. I actually pre-ordered this, I think, as soon as it was announced back in May, I think it was, May, June, and it's taken quite a while to arrive. And honestly, I've seen people with this online. I think you can pick it up on eBay. It might even be available on Amazon. I'll have some links down below for anybody that's interested in picking this up. But let me get this opened up and we can check this out. Awesome. Awesome. As usual, it's going to come with an instruction guide if you don't know how to put in batteries in here or use any of the functionality. I'm going to assume this functions more or less just like the Infinity Gauntlet did, and it's just about the same size as well. Packaging on this, they do a great job with the packaging, as well as all of the artwork on this is typically really nicely done. Actually, what is this? It looks like they've slightly changed the hand mechanism on the inside of this as well. So here's finger locking, opening up. This, to me, actually, this is a little bit more maroon than red. I might end up trying to repaint this and make it more of a hot rod red that we've got here, but so far the details on this are super crisp. I'll be getting a bunch of close-ups on this. All the fingers articulate as well, just like the Infinity Gauntlet. Let me open this up. I believe the same thing. This panel here is going to have this. You just need a screwdriver to unscrew the top latch and then install your AA batteries. What's cool is they also put in some details here underneath where this panel is, which is pretty cool. So in case this ever comes off, you'll still have some details in here. I believe that's on. Oh, there we go. It's snapped into place there. We're good to go. Check it out. I could be wrong, but this just doesn't seem quite as loud as the actual Infinity Gauntlet. Also, these grips on the inside here actually feel like they're not plastic, but a rubber material, which is pretty cool. But it makes a really cool robotic sound to it. It's got that nice power-up sound to it. At $100, you really can't go wrong with this. This is a really, really well done replica prop. All right, here are both of the gauntlets on each individual hand. Infinity Gauntlet on the left, Power Gauntlet on the right. Pretty wild. They are just about equal in size. Obviously, the shape and details are pretty different on these. I was wondering if they were just gonna slightly copy this in a way, but I think it's really just the size more than anything. All of the other details seem completely different on these than the others. They did, it appears, use the exact same stones on this, which kind of makes sense if you think about that. One thing I'm also noticing is with the Infinity Gauntlet, without me moving the fingers, there's sound effects. Power Gauntlet, there's no sound effects other when I'm moving the fingers. Still, pretty dang cool. If you are a fan of the Marvel movies, obviously Endgame was absolutely huge. If you're interested in getting one of these Endgame Power Gauntlets, I'll have links down below to where you can find those. Any of those links will potentially be affiliate links that help out the channel here, so appreciate that. Again, I think this is pretty friggin' cool. Details on this are pretty nice. I might end up, again, repainting this just to make it a little bit more hot rod red than maroon red that are shown here. And again, if I were to choose between the actual Infinity Gauntlet and this Power Gauntlet, probably gonna stick with this Infinity Gauntlet here. Also, if you guys notice, a lot of times in my videos, I have this permanently, the lights are on in the background while I'm talking. And how I do that is I press and hold on the soul stone here, the main large stone, for, let's say, 5 seconds, and it powers it up, and the batteries will stay on, the lights will stay illuminated for an hour. The same thing will happen here with this Power Gauntlet. So now this is gonna stay lit up for the next hour or so. I think it's half an hour to an hour. Also, you can pull in all of the fingers from the inside using the finger loops. And then there is a lock mechanism, which is great for me for putting this on display on a shelf, so it's not the full vertical length of the actual gauntlet. Hey, I just want to say thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this power gauntlet, if you're planning on picking one up yourself, or if there's some other cool replica props that you're hoping Hasbro Toys is going to release over the next year or so that we saw in Infinity War or Endgame. All right, thanks again for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.